to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now he's talking on the topic of Saloni. Now, there is a video circulating with Saloni and her behavior on that video. He's saying that sometimes people forget who have helped them, and he's saying that Saloni has helped a lot of people to get where they are now. And sometimes people forget, they tend to forget where they're coming from, basically, who have helped them in the past. So he's saying that we should never forget that. We should always remember who have helped us. And he's also saying that now people are looking at Saloni as the scum of the earth, and that should not be. So go ahead and check out the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and leave your real feedback. What do you feel about this video with Saloni, and what do you think can be done to help her? Listen on.
Most of you who have met her or been in her presence only use her. And now a lot of you don't need her no more. It's like she is the scum of the earth. Not realizing it's because of people like Saloni why a lot of you are where you are today. It is because of Saloni why a lot of you have reached where you reached today. There is a saying, always remember those who helped you along the way. Always remember those who helped you or no along the way. And clearly a lot of you have forgotten this principle. I'm pretty sure I sent something to myself.
Are you blood clot strip? Come back to strip, are you blood clot strip? Come back to strip. I'm moving off the blood. That's strip. That's me not care about baptized, no, I'm not baptized, me close my mouth, so my tongues are baptized. Our blood clot strip. How are you? How are you?
Well, in this video you will see that it was more focused on, taking videos of her instead of really drawing her out of, the fights and the cursing and whatever. Yes, there was this person who told her to stop because she got baptized, but there was apparently, people trying to get her on video so that it can be posted. But go ahead and, tell me how you feel about it. Is there a way that you think Saloni can be helped? Do you think that people are taking advantage of her with the situation that she is in at the moment? And just leave your real feedback.
Come blood clot that war. You say you want a clot, you get a blood clot. You need to get rub you. I'm missing on social media from the blood clot. Come stop me, I'm Miss Donna. With a straw. Come stop me, I'm Miss Donna. I'm Miss Stop Superior. So when me just done fuck, use a straw and suck out the juice. She mad you. She mad you and me mad you, because we have a bank book. I'm the house well furnished. I have my bank book with the money in there. And I have my son one name in there. Not even my blood clot name in there. And I have social media to give me anything more. But looking at my foot on the cupboard. Talk to me. You can talk to me. Rubbish. Bullfight, you can talk to me. Shit, big boy, you can talk to me. Blood clot right here. Last down now. Let's get it, man. Let's get it done. God say? I run for stop road. She make me shame like that. I tell you, what's blood clot shame? Go do your tour. Go do your foot. Go buy a scrub. I see if you can blood clot. Yeah! You can run up in a blood clot. You can run up in a ice spring. I move your blood clot. You can't done me. Candy! Candy, the girl kill you. Candy, the girl kill you. Kill you. The girl kill you, Candy. The girl kill you, Candy. Candy, the girl kill you. Candy, the girl kill you.
Wanna see that? Wanna see that? Wanna see that? Wanna see it again?
Your blood clot strip. Yeah. Yeah. Are your blood clot strip? Come back the strip on your blood clot strip. Come back the strip. I'm moving off the blood. I don't care about baptized, so I'm not baptized, I close my mouth, so I don't baptize. Come with blood clot strip. How you want? Come blood clot that war. You say you want a clot, you get a blood clot. Can't be the girl rob you. I'm missing on social media from the police blood clot. Come stop me, I'm Dana. With a straw. Come stop me, I'm Dana. I'm Mr. Superior. So when me just done fuck, use a straw and suck out the juice. She a mad you. She a mad you and me a mad you, can we have a bank book? I'm the house one furnished. And me have my bank book with the money in there. And I'm the son one name in there. Not even my blood clot name in there. And me have social media to give me anything more. But looking at me foot on me cupboard. Talk to me. You can talk to me. Rubbish. Bullfrog, you can't talk to me. Shit, big boat, you can't talk to me. Blood clot right here. Last down now. Let's pick it, man. Let's pick it down, man. Smile now. Smile when the crowd say. I run for stop road. She make me shame like that. I tell you, what's blood clot shame? Go do your tour. Go do your foot. Go buy a scrub. I see if you can blood clot. Yeah! You can run up in a blood clot. You can run up in a ice spring. I move your blood clot. You can't done me. Candy! Candy, the girl kill you. Candy, the girl kill you. Kill you. The girl kill you, Candy. The girl kill you, Candy. Candy, the girl kill you. Candy, the girl kill you.
Because I can't hold it no longer. It affects me.
I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. Jesus Christ.